Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop channel for all things comparison. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's hotter than a summer barbecue. On the left, weighing in at $249, we've got the Holy Stone HS720. And on the right, at a wallet-friendly $119, we have the FactJank Brushless Motor Drone. Let's get this drone duel in the air. First up, let's talk about camera quality. The Holy Stone HS720 boasts a 4K UHD camera with image stabilization, making it a strong contender for capturing high-quality aerial shots. Reviewers are particularly impressed with its ability to produce good quality videos and photos, especially for its price point. On the other hand, the FactJank Brushless Motor Drone comes with a 1080p HD camera. While it doesn't match the 4K resolution, it does offer a 135 degrees adjustable camera, which is appreciated by users for capturing various angles. However, some reviewers mentioned that the video quality can be a bit shaky. Now, let's dive into flight features. The Holy Stone HS720 is packed with GPS-assisted intelligent flight, automatic return, follow me mode, and more. Reviewers love its stability and ease of use, even in mild winds. FactJank, despite its lower price, offers multiple intelligent flight features like 3D flips, custom path flight, and gesture control. Users find these features fun and versatile, though some have reported issues with the drone flying away unexpectedly. When it comes to battery life, the Holy Stone HS720 stands out with 2 intelligent batteries, providing a total of 52 minutes of flight time. Reviewers appreciate the extended flight duration, although the long charging time is a minor drawback. FactJank, while not boasting as much about battery life, offers brushless motors that extend the service life. Users have noted nearly 20 minutes of flight time per battery, which is decent for its price range. Price is always a crucial factor. The Holy Stone HS720 is priced at $249, which is justified by its rich feature set and robust performance. Reviewers feel that it offers great value for the money, especially for beginners. FactJank, at just $119, is much more affordable. It's considered a great budget option by users, offering good performance for its price, despite some reliability concerns. Finally, let's look at build and design. The Holy Stone HS720 features a foldable design and comes with a carrying case, making it convenient and portable. Users find it easy to assemble and appreciate its high build quality. FactJank, with its brushless motors and level 4 wind resistance, is built to withstand the elements. However, some users have experienced issues with durability, such as broken propellers during initial flights. Overall, reviewers appreciate the Holy Stone HS720 for its high-quality camera, advanced flight features, and extended battery life, making it a great value for its price. The FactJank Brushless Motor Drone is praised for its affordability, versatile flight features, and decent battery life, but some users have encountered reliability issues. So there you have it, smart shoppers. The Holy Stone HS720 is like the luxury SUV of drones, packed with features, smooth, and a bit pricey. FactJank is your reliable, adventurous buddy, affordable, fun, and ready to rock. Which drone do you think wins this epic showdown? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more epic comparisons, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our next product face-off. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart. Product links are in the description.